Read with Diane.
Diane here, and thanks for coming to read with me. Llama Llama, Nighty Night, written by Dewdney. Dinner's over, tummy fed. Llama Llama, time for bed. Time to brush and fill the tub. Time to splash, time to splish and splash and scrub. PJs on, then potty time. Choose a book with silly rhymes. Snuggle in, turn out the light. Llama Llama, Nighty Night. Thanks for coming to read with me.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys.